Hey, my friend, it is Dr. Steve here, periscopedoc.com, and in this video, I want to share with you 5 simple steps, 5 simple strategies that you can use to create free leads for your home business, for your MLM, for your network marketing company, okay? 5 simple strategies that you can do, free leads, okay? This is a process that I use every single day, and it works for me on a regular basis. I create anywhere from 15 to 30 free leads on a daily basis. What's up, Laura? And this strategy works. So you're going to want to write this down because this is going to be something that you can implement on a daily basis for your business if you're willing to spend a little bit of time, which you should be. If you're in business, the goal is to turn that business into a profit. So step number 1 is to simply create some content. I like to come here on Periscope and shoot a video. And I'm going to show you how you can repurpose the same content over and over again so you don't have to do the work again and again. You can utilize the same content to create free leads from different places. So I start with a video here on Periscope, and the simple thing is you figure out what you're going to shoot a video about, try to solve a problem, try to create a solution, try to offer some value in a video that people are going to want to watch. So that's step number 1, is simply just to create some content like I'm doing now, right? I'm sharing 5 simple strategies to create free leads, okay? So that's step number 1. You create some content. I do it here on Periscope. I take this video, I shoot a video on Periscope. That's step number 1. Then what I do is here's step 2. This video gets saved to my camera roll on my device, right? And then what I do is I upload this video to YouTube, okay? So you have the same content now in 2 places. It's on Periscope, and now it's on YouTube. So actually it's on 3 places, because if you're using Catch, katch.me, your Periscope video automatically gets hosted on Catch and Periscope TV. So step number 1, create content here on Periscope. Step number 2, upload it to YouTube, and then you can fill out in the description on YouTube a little bit of information about the video. You can include your links, and now you have your content in 2 places. Step number 3, I take the video from YouTube and I embed it into a blog post. So now I have the same content working for me in 3 places: Periscope, YouTube, and now my blog. So I've embedded it into my blog post, okay? So that's the 3rd step. You embed that video into blog, you can write a little content around it. Again, your blog can have banners, it can have links, it can have places for people to click on. So it could be any blog. Yeah, Kalatu is one example. That's the blogging platform that I'm using, but you can use any blog will work for this strategy, assuming they let you market and promote stuff. A lot of the free blogs don't let you sell anything. So that's number 3. Number 4 is social media. So what you do is now you take that blog post and you syndicate it. You share it on social media, all of the different social media platforms, you know, whether it's Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, StumbleUpon, Google+, there's a lot, Instagram, there's a lot of places where you can share that content. So now you have your content in 4 or multiple places, all from the same video. You've done the work one time, you're just repurposing it for different places, okay? So that's step number 4, social media. Step number 5 is now you can take that blog post and you can email it to your list. And you can say, hey, I just shot a cool video on how to create 5 simple strategies for creating free leads for your network marketing business. Go check out the blog post. I put it there, right? Go check out my blog post, or you can send them to your YouTube channel, wherever. But now you've sent it to your email list. So now you have one video, work you did one time, and you're sharing it 5 different ways. It's in 5 different places. It's actually more than 5 if you're sharing it on your different social media channels. So what you've done is you've repurposed content that you did once in 5 different places, and it's working for you now without you, right? That's called leverage. Favorite share engine, Buffalo, Hootsuite, etc. I use a number of them. I have some private software that I use for syndication on the different groups on Facebook. But yeah, Hootsuite works. Like, there's ways to schedule out your shares and your posts. Sometimes I do it manually because, look, when you're inserting a video into, for example, a blog post, I mean, you're creating that content quickly. This video will be less than 10 minutes. It will take me less than 5 minutes to embed it into a blog post, upload it onto YouTube, do all these other things that we just talked about. It doesn't take very long. So I spend more time syndicating my content than I actually do creating it. So I don't mind doing it manually as long as I can get it to go where I want it to. Love you. Hootsuite sucks though, in my opinion. Yeah, Laura. I mean, I've heard mixed reviews about Hootsuite. In all honesty, I don't use it. I know that some people do. There's different ways to schedule your content. Like I said, I tend to do it manually. Maybe I'm old school, but I like to know where my stuff is going and when it's popping up. So that's it. It's really that simple. You create content once, you syndicate it, and you propagate it, right? You repurpose your content in a bunch of different areas, and it works, okay? Like I said, this strategy helps me create between 15 to 30 free leads on a daily basis. It allows me to build my list. Again, I share this content with my email list, and it works. And then guess what? This is all free stuff, okay? The only thing that you probably have to spend any money on is a blog. That's it. That's it. Really, just hosting for your blog. That's really it. Because YouTube is free, Periscope is free, social media is free, and you have to have an autoresponder, of course. So in order to house your email like Aweber or GetResponse, you need to house that. If you're not willing to invest your time into your business, then why are you in business? Exactly, Laura. I tell people that all the time. If you're not willing to invest the time and the money to grow your own business, then you're not mentally prepared to be a business owner. That is so true. So I hope you guys got some value from this. I appreciate you being here. Thanks for the comments. Thanks for the hearts. Do this. I'm telling you, these 5 strategies work. So go out and implement that. Start by creating content and then follow those other steps. Thank you, Laura. Appreciate you being here. Yep, value-based content. Yes, definitely create value-based content and then share that in the ways that we just talked about. So again, my name is Dr. Steve. You can connect with me on Facebook right here. There's my Facebook information right there. There is my blog right there. If you can't read that, it says yourprescriptionforsuccess.com. And then there's my website right there, periscopedoc.com. You can check all that out and connect with me there. So hope you have an awesome day. Appreciate you. Thanks for being here, and I will see you next time.